As we're all aware, in the fast-paced world of finance, information is power, and making timely decisions is crucial. A well-maintained stock watch list can be helpful for investors and traders. But what is a watch list? A watch list is essentially a curated list of stocks that an investor monitors closely, either due to existing investments or potential future opportunities. However, merely creating a watch list isn't enough. Knowing how to effectively utilize it is key to maximizing its potential. In this video, we discuss how to create a watch list and how to maintain it. The foundation of a powerful watch list lies in research and careful selection. You have to define your goals. Are you a long-term investor looking for stable companies or a short-term trader seeking quick wins? Knowing your goals will determine the types of stocks you add. How to create a stock watch list. First off, you would need to set criteria for adding stocks. This can include history, financial ratios, price targets, or technical indicators. Start by identifying stocks that align with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and overall strategy. Utilize various resources such as financial news, analyst reports, and fundamental analysis to evaluate potential candidates. By conducting comprehensive research, you can ensure that your watch list consists of high-quality investment opportunities with strong growth potential. A well-rounded watch list should encompass a diverse range of stocks across different sectors and industries. Diversification helps spread risk and minimize exposure to any single company or market segment. As you add stocks to your watch list, consider their correlation with existing holdings and aim to achieve a balanced portfolio mix. Additionally, regularly reassess your watch list to adjust for changes in market conditions, economic trends, and company performance. Stay vigilant and be prepared to reallocate resources as needed to optimize risk-adjusted returns. You need to set alerts and notifications. Leverage technology to your advantage by setting up alerts and notifications for stocks on your watch list. Most trading platforms offer customizable alert features that notify you of significant price movements, news events, or changes in key metrics. By staying informed in real time, you can seize opportunities and react swiftly to market developments. Whether it's a price spike, earnings announcement, or regulatory update, timely alerts empower you to make well-informed decisions and capitalize on market fluctuations. Regularly monitor the performance of stocks on your watch list and analyze underlying trends. Paying attention to key metrics such as price movements, trading volume and volatility, and relative strength compared to benchmark indices. Identify patterns and themes that may influence future performance, such as emerging market trends, sector rotations, or geopolitical events. By staying attuned to market dynamics, you can adapt your investment strategy accordingly and capitalize it on evolving opportunities. In conclusion, a well-managed stock watch list is a valuable asset for any investor seeking to maximize their investment potential. By conducting thorough research, diversifying effectively, setting alerts, and monitoring trends, you can harness the power of your watch list to make informed decisions and optimize your portfolio performance. Remember that the key to success lies not only in creating a watch list, but also in actively managing it to leverage it to your advantage. You must make sure you don't overload. A large watch list can be overwhelming. Limit yourself to a manageable number of stocks. Also, don't just follow trends. While trends are important, always do your research before buying. By staying disciplined and informed, you can create a successful watch list. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.